Hello, let's make a brief overview of the Inbound CRM platform. First of all, enter your username and your password. Click on Remember Me and log in. Once you're in, you have your home page here, and which is the dashboard, which is giving you access to these different buttons. So we can create a new template, add contact, schedule a mailing, create a subscription form. It could be for your website, but it could be for the Facebook page, and we handle that for you. We can consult the statistics of the different newsletter that has been sent. We can make micro survey as an option in the system, and we can consult the calendar of all the publications that are going to be done. So if you have different customer already in your database, we will import them and create a group which is going to be named importation, and we will create a group for your website and a group for your Facebook page. So when somebody subscribe, his name is going to go in contact and he's going to go in the group of Facebook if he subscribed from your Facebook page, and his name is going to be populated in the website if he subscribe from your website. In the templates, this is where you will find all your newsletter to be sent out. So all of them are available at this area, and if you want to see them, you simply have to click on View, and you can see the content of the newsletter. You might want to do some changes, so you can click on Edit, and once you're there, you have access to the text, so you could add text or remove text or change it, or you have, when you click on the text, you have a kind of a word box appearing, so you can change the orientation and the font of the text, and you could also add a link. It's like I would like to add this link here to, let's see, a URL, which would be my selling page on my website of the Cherokee Sunset. That's something I simply have to copy and paste the URL right over there, and the customer is going to be bring to your shopping page when he click there. So when I'm satisfied with the different changes, I can simply click on save, and for now I will not save. We have also the option to search by a title or a number. Let's say I'm searching for the newsletter number 64. I could have a look right over here, and usually we will add your logo, a link to your info flyer. We will add your social media and a link to your website, and we will create link from your website on your newsletter as well. And at the completely bottom of the newsletter, we will add a Google Map link, so if there is a share of the newsletter, they will know exactly where you are located. In the newsletter, we could add also a custom flyer, which is made to be a fit with the size of the newsletter. So in the mailing section, you will find out all the different mailing that has been done in the past, and there is also a marketing automation option in the software where we can add a scenario. Like, let's say we add a new scenario for an event like the birthday. If the customer have entered in the formulaire when you have subscribed to the newsletter his birthday, we can send a happy birthday newsletter that is going to be sent. If you give a discount, I would suggest that we send it a few days before his birthday so he can prepare, he can get prepared to go to your location and take a benefit of 10%, 5%, 15%, you decide, and we're going to build the visual with what you decide. Or it could be just a happy birthday. Many people who close during the winter prefer that because, well, if you give a discount and you're not open, it's not the best thing to do. So in that situation, we would suggest that we send the happy birthday the exact day of his birthday. When we will send newsletter, you might want to consult your statistics. So with the statistics, you will be able to see how many people have opened the newsletter, how many email have been sent from which period, and people who unsubscribe, and so you have all the information regarding different mailing that are done to your customer. So that's it. If you have any question, please feel free to send us an email or call us. Thank you and have a nice day.